In the last video, I showed you how to build an AI income stream step by step. But today, I'm breaking down what actually happens after you launch. Because this is where most people get discouraged and quit. We don't chase success. We code it. Let's talk about what that really looks like. When you launch your first digital product, it probably won't explode. You might get a few views, a few clicks, maybe one sale, and you know what? That's completely normal. The first 30 days are not about profit. They're about proof. Proof that your system actually works. Proof that people are interested in what you have to offer, and proof that you can execute on an idea from start to finish. This is the stage where most people quit because they re-expecting a huge launch with fireworks and a flood of sales. But real, sustainable income doesn't usually start with a bang. It builds quietly, brick by brick, sale by sale. It's about laying the foundation. So if you launched and only heard crickets, congratulations, you've completed the first step. You've gathered your first set of data points. Now the real work begins. Don't let the quiet discourage you. Let it inform you. Instead of getting emotional and asking, why isn't this working? You need to start asking, what is the data telling me? This shift from emotion to analysis is critical. Stop looking at your sales dashboard with hope or despair and start looking at it like a scientist. Look at your clicks. Look at your conversion rate. Look at your views and your watch time. Each metric tells a story. For example, if you're getting a lot of views and good watch time on your content, but no one is clicking the link to your product, your call to action might be weak or the link might not be prominent enough. Maybe the price is too high, the value isn't clear, or the page itself is confusing. If no one is even watching your content in the first place, then your positioning needs work. Your titles and thumbnails aren't grabbing attention. See the difference? Income isn't an emotional lottery. It's an analytical process. We don't guess what's wrong. We identify the bottleneck in the system and we adjust. Step 1. Improve the product itself. If you got even one sale, you have a customer. Talk to them. Get feedback. What did they like? What was missing? Use that feedback to make version 2.0 even better. Step 2. Improve your packaging. This means your titles, your thumbnails, your sales page copy. A small tweak to a headline can double your click-through rate. Step 3. Create more content around the exact same problem your product solves. Don't get distracted and jump to a brand new idea. If your product helps people write better emails with AI, create 10 more videos about writing better emails with AI. Go deep, not wide. Depth beats distraction every single time. The internet rewards focus and expertise. Master one problem for one audience before you even think about moving on to the next. Once you have one product that is working consistently, even if it's just making a few sales a day, that's when you stack. This is the secret to real leverage. You don't just create another random product. You build on top of what's already successful. For example, if you sell a basic guide, you can add a premium version with video tutorials and one-on-one coaching. You can bundle it with other related products for a discount. You can create a template add-on pack that makes implementing the guide even faster. You could sell a prompt pack specifically designed to be used with the techniques in your guide. Suddenly, your income isn't coming from just one source. It's layered. You've increased the average value of each customer without needing to find more customers. This is how one successful product becomes a digital shelf. A shelf becomes a store. And the store becomes an automated income system that works for you 24/7. The biggest difference between people who succeed with AI income streams and people who don't is not intelligence. It's not about who has the flashiest tools or the most brilliant ideas. It's consistency. That's the real secret. It sounds boring, but it's the truth. You don't need 50 different ideas for 50 different products. You need one good idea, executed repeatedly, improved steadily, and scaled intentionally. It's about showing up every day, looking at the data, making small adjustments, and trusting the process. The temptation is always to chase the next shiny object, the next untapped niche. But the real wealth is built by staying put. by becoming the go-to expert for one specific problem. That's how automated income is truly built. Not through frantic, scattered effort, but through calm, focused, consistent action. Now, if you're serious about building your first AI income stream and you want to do it the right way, structure matters more than anything. A good idea without a good system is just a dream. That's exactly why I created the AI Income Starter Kit. It's not another vague course about making money online. It's a system. It walks you through the exact step-by-step process of choosing your niche, validating your idea so you know it will sell, building out your first high-value digital product, and launching it properly to get those crucial first data points. There's no fluff, no motivational speeches, just actionable systems and frameworks that you can follow. If you're tired of guessing and want a proven roadmap, the link is right below in the description. At the end of the day, remember this. AI doesn't remove the effort. It removes the friction. It speeds up your execution. It amplifies the structure you build, but the system still has to be built. And that part is on you. We don't chase success. We code it. This is Rich by Robots. Build smart. Build automated. Build rich. I'll see you in the next build.